It was a cold, moonless night. He walked through the forest, every step echoing like a warning. Something was out there, watching. Branches cracked behind him. Shadows twisted in the darkness. He quickened his pace, but no matter how far he ran, the feeling of being followed grew stronger. He could hear whispers, faint, distant, calling his name. Finally, he stumbled into an abandoned building. The hallway stretched before him, silent but alive. A dark figure appeared at the far end, staring. He froze. And then, it smiled.